Have a question or issue? Schwab is renowned for its customer service. Knowing the fastest way to reach the right help saves you time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You have multiple channels, 24/7 phone support, call the number on the back of your card, secure messaging through your account, live chat on the website, and in person at a branch. For complex trading or technical issues, ask for the Street Smart Edge or Active Trader support teams when you call. My crucial pro tip: use secure messaging for non-urgent matters. Need a form or have a detailed question? Secure messaging creates a written record within your account. A specialist will respond, often by the next business day, and you can refer back to it anytime. No need to repeat yourself. Get the help you need, when you need it, in the format that works best. What's been your best experience with a financial company's customer service? For more guides on navigating financial services, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.